In this video, I will show you how to get a hardship loan. So, a hardship loan is a type of personal loan designed to help borrowers overcome financial difficulties. So, this includes job loss, medical emergencies, or home repairs if you actually have some accidents as well. So, they are offered by small banks and credit unions as well. So, they have low interest rate and low maximum account and short repayment schedule. In this nature, you should not be able to be trampled in debt, and it can help you recover for this time of need or hardship. So in addition to these loans, there are other funding sources that can help emergency, including retirement plan withdrawals and home equity. So for this one, this actually works because the lender will send you a lump sum or a lot of money, typically within a few days, and you have several months or several years in order to pay this. That take note that you will pay interest on the loan and sometimes fee as well. However, this doesn't matter. Those fees don't matter anymore because this can help you out in a pinch on a hardship, and you can actually use the extra money.